Hello guys, what's up y'all? Today we are solving a problem replace all zeros with 5. So we are given an integer n. We need to convert all the 0 digits in the given integer to 5. So it's pretty intuitive. If you look at the example, you understand. We will solve this in two methods. The first is to convert the given integer into a string and then replace all the zeros with 5 in the string format, and while we are returning the string we type convert it into int and we return. That is what is being done here. So let us run and see this. Something is okay. I did not initialize the replacement for s, so we just do s is equal to s dot replace and then it should run correctly. So the time complexity for both the methods will be similar because I am essentially just doing a logic behind this, but the space complexity will be different because in the second method we'll initialize a lot of new variables. Now let us open the whiteboard for this. So first let's take an example 1020. Here there are two zeros. We are initializing a variable called place, which represents the place of the numbers, and then I initialize result to store all the converted numbers. So what I mean by place is tens, hundreds, thousands. That is what we are storing in place variable. Now we try and extract all the digits one by one from right to left. So for example 1020, when we divide it by 10, the remainder we'll take. Here remainder is 0 anyway, so if there is 121, the remainder will be 1. So that is how we are taking the digits one by one. So it will be 0, and so given condition is if it is 0 we replace it by 5. So that if condition will initialize, and then we update the result. The result will updation will look a little like result plus the current place value into what is the digit currently. Like here it is 5 since we've replaced 0 with 5. So here for the place value of 1, result is 0 plus 1 into 5, which will be 5. Now let us go to the tens place. Place will become 10, and then when we divide it by 10, the digit is 2. That is the digit in the tens place, and then we update the result, which will be 5, which is the previous result, plus 10 into 2, which will be 25. Similarly, if we do, the answer will become 1525. That is our desired value. And then here I have given the code for the logic that we discussed right now. So if you can see, I have implemented all of the code or the logic that I have explained. Here is the formula for results. Now if we compile and run it, it runs, as you can see, and when we submit it, we can see the time complexity is similar, but the space complexity will be different. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.